Assalamualaikum dear students, I am your teacher Tathir Fatima. आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं जेएम पब्लिशर्स की इंग्लिश प्ले ग्रुप. Students, today we will learn greetings. Greetings are the words we say when we meet someone. For example, look and say on page number 2. For example, जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं तो सबसे पहले अस्सलामुअलैकुम कहते हैं. When we meet someone, we say Assalamu alaikum. Everyone say it with me. Assalamu alaikum. When we say Assalamu alaikum, when someone says Wa alaikum assalam, when someone says Assalamu alaikum, we answer Wa alaikum assalam. Say it with me. Wa alaikum assalam. Good morning. In the morning, when we come to school, we say good morning. Morning, when we come to school, we say good morning. Say it with me. Good morning. When we meet our friends, we ask how are you? Say how are you? I am fine. When someone asks how are you, we say I am fine. Everyone repeat I am fine. Good students, let's say all greeting together. Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. Good morning, how are you? And I am fine. Very good. Dear students, पेज नंबर 2 पर देखिए, आपको एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी दिखाई दे रही है, आई एंड माई फैमिली. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मी. My name is Dash. My name is Fatima. I am 6 years old. I study in class playgroup. My father name is Ashraf. My mother name is Hina. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.